What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how well Fortnite runs on the new M1 Mac Mini. Now this is the Mac Mini base model M1 with the 8 gigs of RAM. Overall, it runs pretty well. It's pretty quick. I did use the auto settings and upgrade the frame rates to 120. And we're going to choose Battle Royale. Let's go ahead and check out the settings here. If we go to auto set, it adjusts to 60 frames per second. I'm going to go ahead and bump that up to 120. Most of the settings are on high. Advanced graphics, VSync is off, motion blur is on. We're not going to show the frames per second. Rendering is on, and we could just leave this off. So it looks like we're on a pretty good settings. We're all on high, guys. We're not on crazy epic, and it is an integrated graphics card, so it does make sense to not max it out. So let's check this out. Alright, so it looks like we found a match and we are joining the game now. Everything seems to load decently well. And you can see here is a quick look at the gameplay. So as you guys can see from this gameplay, I really don't play this game much at all. I've only played Fortnite about maybe 3 times. So that, guys, is just a quick look at Fortnite on the M1 Mac Mini base model, and it runs pretty well. Again, it's all in high settings with 120 frame rates per second. If you guys do have any suggested videos, or leave your comment down below, go ahead and leave a like if you guys found the video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.